It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I do have the brown sugar box. This is for May 2024. This is a black lifestyle box. This box ships out typically towards the end of the month. Now this box did come on time. I am just getting around to reviewing it because I kind of been busy because it's summertime and it's a bunch of stuff to do now. So I'm outside. So we're going to go ahead and get into our box this month. And this box is $42 plus $8.95 shipping and handling. And I guess there'll be some tax based on where you live at for the cost of this box. This is a monthly subscription. So let's go ahead and get into this thing and see what's in here. So, oh, how are you guys feeling about the new box too? Because they have changed the way the box looks. This is one of the changes moving forward. So I like the artwork though. I think it's really cute. So let's get into this thing. But yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all think about the changes in the box. So look at this. Instead of our magazine, look what they gave us. All the information is in this beautiful print on the front. I love this. If this is one of the new changes they make, I'm down for it. This is nice because if you're somebody that likes to frame stuff, this is like a nice picture to kind of put in a frame and hang on the wall. This is cute. I like this. I hope they keep this up. I really like this. So inside they have some information about the theme of the month. And then over here we have our products, and do they have the box value? Yeah, the box value is now up here. So this month's box for May 2024 is worth $104. And we are stepping into the month with the spirit of Zara. So, meet Zara, a muse of creativity. Zara is a whisper of inspiration on a quiet day, a roar of innovation in a world that never stands still. Her name means princess, but she is a queen in her realm of endless imagination. With each stroke of her brush, Zara paints not just on canvas but on fabric of life, blending dreams into reality. Now, wow, that's a lot about me, Zara, right? So I guess this month we are being encouraged to nurture our talents, be bold in self-expression, innovate your world, and embrace the unconventional. So let's get into this thing. Let's see what we got. But I'm really digging this. I hope this stays. This I like. And oh yeah, on the back, guys, we do have our beauties of the month. We got our playlist down here as well. That's typically in our magazine. So I don't see any QR code anymore. So I guess they've done away with the one that's online. But yeah, this is what we got. And I'm digging this. So let's get into this thing. Let's get into this thing. Okay. So guys, this is the first item out of my box here. And this is a foot soak. I have orange is the scent that I have here. And it says this is a 4-step paraffin pedicure foot soak set. You could have got 1 of 4 scents. This is valued at $18. And it says indulge in the ultimate relaxation and soothe and regenerate your feet while you dive into creativity activities. So this is pretty cool. So what's in this set? Let's open it up. So you just get, okay. So you get 4 packs in here for your soak. And it sounds like, yeah, it's just like the soak stuff. Yeah. So that's nice. I like this. Yeah, basically just filling your vessel of water and adding this in and putting your little toesies in and letting them kind of rejuvenate and the nice little soak. So that is nice. I like that. I like it. So it says it's a jelly soap, mineral salt soap, mud mask, and a foot lotion. Oh, so that's what they mean. 4 in 1. I got you now. I'm with you 100%. So this is the foot soap. This is the foot salt scrub. This is the foot mud mask. And this is the foot lotion. Okay, that is perfect for me. I am Bougetto. I love stuff like this. So this is great. Now, I got the scent orange. The other scents, does it say which ones you could have received? There's green tea. There's lavender. There is, looks like lemon, and then there's one I can't quite, oh, rose is the other scent. So yeah, 18 bucks, and this is a actual foot soak set. So all the things you need to do a nice foot soak and kind of chill out and relax. So that's cool. I like that. So let's go with the next thing in here. So here's the next thing in our box. So this is the Brown Sugar Babes Guide to Creative Expression. So we got something like this in the last month's box. So this is valued at $10. And let's just kind of go through here real quick. This has volume 2. So I guess I don't know if we're getting one every month, but kind of things to do to kind of chill out, relax a little bit. Vision board creation. Daily fashion, handmade candles, like little activities you could kind of do, journaling, culture craft. So that's cute. So this is valued at 10, and this is your companion and your journey of artistic self-discovery packed with inspirational tips and activities. This booklet encourages you to explore different mediums and find your own creative voice. Okay, that's cool. I like it. And the next thing, ooh, we got a paint by numbers. Ooh, I like this. So guys, this is valued at $25, and it's a 16 by 20 paint by numbers kit. You could have got 1 or 4 prints. All of the prints were ladies that were painting, and this again is valued at $25. It says dive into art with your new paint by number set, a large 16 by 20 canvas that comes to life. One number at a time, featuring a gorgeous, culturally rich illustration that promises to not only be a relaxing escape and a stunning piece of art to adorn in your home. Love, 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 love this. Let's see what's in here. I've been looking for ways to kind of chill out, and I actually wanted to do something like this. So this is like perfect that this came. I think we've gotten one of these once before. So you do get the paint, you get the brushes in here. And this is the artwork itself, which I think is great. So they give you a piece of paper here that basically is telling you, is this the right way? Am I holding it the right way, or is it the other way? Yeah, so this is basically how you're going to paint it. But these are like the little numbers inside. The numbers are also on the canvas here as well. Let me see, am I holding it right? Because if I hold it the wrong way, y'all not going to be able to tell what this is. So I'm just looking to see if I'm holding it right. Hold on. I can't tell. Or is it this way? Might be this way. Alright, anywho, you got paint by numbers. Y'all probably can't see that fine detail anyway that's on here. But it's numbers in here, very tinily put in different places, and you're just going to follow that and paint. So I'm supposed to have, mine is supposed to look like this lady here. So that is what we're going to do, and it does tell you how to make the colors and stuff on the back. So I think this is nice. I like this. My girlfriend actually just got one of these boxes as well, so maybe me and her get together and like have like girlfriend's day or something, and like sit outside on the patio, sip some wine, and we can kind of do this paint by numbers thing. That seems like a real chill vibe. So yeah, I'm liking this. So that's cool. So let's go on to the next thing that's in our box here. So far this is like for the creative soul, so I'm seeing that with the things that we're getting so far. So let's see what else is in here. Alright guys, so the next thing I have, what is this? This is oh, we have a mood changing jelly moisturizing lipstick. It was 1 of 4 you could have received. This is valued at $12, and it says this stunning unique lipstick features a clear jelly formula embedded with real flowers and gold flakes to adjust to your unique pH, creating a custom shade or one of a kind just like you. So here we go. Let me, look, it is a flower in there. You guys see this? That is so neat. How neat is that? So this is a mood changing lipstick. I can't wait to try that. I'm curious to see what color it comes out at. Yeah, but $12, not bad for that. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So you could have got, I guess the other 3 that you could have got, they got different color flowers based off of what I see in here. So yeah, this was valued at $12. So let's go on to the next thing. We got a coloring book, guys. An adult coloring book, you know. And it says the Color of Beauty adult coloring book is valued at $14. Coloring is not on a great creative outlet, but is also relaxing self-care activity filled with beautiful representations of Black women. This book offers hours of stress-free activities and wonderful opportunities to personalize your artistic journey with palettes of color. I love it. Grab some colored pencil and go. So I'm going to kind of open this so you guys can kind of see what we're working with here. And these are some really pretty pictures and stuff. Like, I like that. Oh, I like this one. This is nice. Oh, yes. I do have some colored pencils, but I don't have many colors. But yeah, this will be nice. This is like a nice stress-free activity. This is what I need probably when I get off of work and my anxiety is like here. I probably should just sit down and just start coloring and kind of letting my mind kind of just slowly relax. But this is great. I like this. And the pictures are like really nice pictures. The like color in. Oh, I love this. This is nice. Look at this one. This is nice, guys. I like it. I like it. So again, this was valued at $14. And we are down to the last thing in our box, which is our shirt of the month. And our shirt is always valued at about $25. So let me take it out of here so I can show it to you. So guys, this is my shirt. You could have received one of two, it looks like. And it says Regency Era Beauty T-shirt. It's valued at $25. So this is nice. And it says this is a celebration of the Bridgerton Season 3 collection now at Target. These beautiful stylish tees merge with Regency style with contemporary chic, featuring breathtaking illustrations of Black women that embody the historical richness and modern elegance of the era. So the other color was a green, like this funny color green here top. So pink or the green one is the ones that you would have received. So I have size large in the unisex tee here. So this is cute. I like it. I like it. Okay, guys. So in review, from the top, let's check off what we got. So we have our tea of the month at $25. We have the coloring book at $14. We have our mood changing lipstick at $12. We have our creative expressions booklet here at $10. We have our pedicure foot soak set here valued at $18. And we have our paint set over here, paint by numbers. And I'll give you the box to show you what that is one last time. And that is the box for the month. So I like this box because I'm a creative person and I've always been looking for outlets to kind of relax my mind. You know, you work all day, you get all riled up, and then it's like you get off of work and you just trying to just like chill out. So I think this is better than me probably scrolling my phone after work and on Instagram, just mindlessly scrolling. But I think this is kind of be like a good way to kind of mentally give yourself a chance to kind of chill out. So I like the coloring book. Actually, I like everything in here. I would have loved if the coloring book came with the pencils. That would have been my only thing to critique, I think. But for me, this was a good box because I like creative stuff like this. So I really like this one. So if you guys pick this one up, let me know what your thoughts are. Because I know we've been seeing the changes and everything happen with the box. And we weren't quite sure where they were going. But we've seen the changes happening. But I really like this box. So I would love to hear what you guys thought of this box, and were there some things in here that was your favorite? Are you looking forward to seeing what's going to be in next month's box? So I mean, I'm kind of riled up to see what they're coming up with next. I thought this was pretty well executed, so I'm very satisfied with this month's box. So guys, that's it for my box for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did and you have not already subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Like, just do it. So I do love sharing with you guys what I am unboxing, what I'm purchasing. If that's things that you're into, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I do post weekly. I love sharing with you guys. I love interacting in the comments with you. Love hearing from you guys and what your thoughts are on some of these boxes and what we're getting inside of them. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and tap the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But until my next video, guys, enjoy your summer. I am enjoying mine, so I may be a little late at time with posting, but it's okay. It's okay. Life is for the living, and I'm going to live it. So do the same with yours. So see you on the next one.